Chevrolet Cruze 2011 to 2016. To remove the window regulator with the motor and the glass from the door, first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt behind the door handle and a second one in the armrest. Use a tool to pry the panel from the bottom and release it from the clips. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors. Next, disconnect the connector from the window motor and slightly loosen the two bolts holding the glass, but do not unscrew them completely. After that, unscrew all the bolts securing the window regulator mechanism. You will then be able to lower the mechanism to the very bottom of the door and pull the glass out sideways through the top. Once the glass is out, you can remove the regulator assembly along with the motor through the access hole in the door.